Today we're going to be making steamed mussels in Thai broth. I love having mussels on the menu because they allow you versatility. They're a great appetizer, shareable entrée. Start by heating half of the butter, about 30 grams, in a wide pan. When it's nice and sizzling, you add your aromatics. Your ginger, your shallots, your bird's eye chili. Saute until it's transparent and fragrant, about 30 seconds or so. Then add in the tamarind, the fish sauce, the Knorr vegetable base, water, and mix everything until it's well combined. Then you're ready to add your mussels, your kaffir lime leaf, and make sure you cover it well. Keep it at a simmer, so if you need to lower the heat a little bit, do that, and you cook just until the mussels open up. Swirl in the remaining butter, and then you're ready to serve. Put in a bowl and garnish with Thai basil. So here is our steamed mussels with Thai broth made with Knorr liquid concentrated vegetable stock.